Hello friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to share you my garden bed preparation. We built 3 garden beds. So the first thing is to buy the materials for garden bed. The size of garden bed is 2400 by 800 So the standard size in Bunnings they have is 2.4 meters. So we are going to use the same length. For width wise 800, so we are going to buy two of them, and we are going to trim it into six pieces. So always make sure what size you are going to build your garden bed. So it's easy when you go to shop. Make the shopping list what you want to buy. So we are going to buy 8 pieces of 2400 millimeters by 800 millimeters. We are going to cut here itself. In Bunnings they will cut first few pieces for free, and for extra pieces they will charge you 50 cents for each cutting. So the standard size is 2.4, so we are going to trim that in, so we can use it. So it's easy, and also it saves a lot of time, and the cutting also it's perfect. The second one that we bought is the extra heavy duty builders film. This is a moisture barrier for timber.
It is a
Of mulch, and also 3 cubic meters of garden soil. We ordered from Soil Works. We ordered bit extra. This is not only for the garden bed. This is for other plants as well, because we have to pay delivery charge for every time when you order. So we calculated for all my plants, and we need bit more of mulch and soil. So we ordered more. That's why it's 3 cubic meters. We placed a mat in for the soil, so to avoid the wastage, and also the cleaning thing will be easier. So the delivery was really quick. If you want to deliver during weekends, the delivery charge is bit more. The normal days is $45, but if you want them on weekends, they are charging you, I think it's $70 or $60. It depends on the location where you live. So the top we are using M8 by 100.
on the bottom and middle we use அது எனக்கு 6 ன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது பட் சும்மா காமிக்கிறேன்.
So bottom two holes we are using this one. So bit of smaller than this. So all these screws is available in Bunnings. So we purchased all these screws from Bunnings. Oh, good job, my dear kids. Scene போடாதே. சரி, என்ன பண்றீங்க? What you guys are doing? That's not a soil, it's what? Bark.
It's kind of like a wood that's cut into small pieces. It's at our school. And then we're going to move it there. And then, Anna, it isn't full yet. Papa said not to put it up too full. Okay, but we have only one shovel, so we're going to be sharing.
Okay.
So when my brother dumps this over there, I'm going to give the shovel to my brother.
Good job during school holidays. So we tied the soil with some
Some thingy.
plastic bags.
Yeah, and
To avoid.
to avoid the dust going everywhere.
Yes.
My glass.
Good. Good job.
And we'll see you on the
This is called mulch.
mulch.
Yes.
Okay, but we'll see you when we're doing the dirt.
So Tanish, this is called mulch. Okay.
Mulch.
MULCH.
Here's my glass. So, I'm going to use my hand.
நீ வேலை செய்யறதோட வாய் தான் நிறைய பேசுற லைத்தியா. பண்ணு பண்ணு. தனிஷ் பேசாம இருந்தாலும் அவன் பாட்டுக்கு வேலை செய்யறான். நீ பேசினே இருக்கிற, வேலை மட்டும் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
Because I want to be on YouTube.
Oh. Good job. So cocoa peat. இது வந்து sugar cane mulch.
I just made the template to drill a few holes on the timber. So it's a quicker and easier way. The template is like 200 by 50. So the timber is 200 by 50. So I made 3 holes. So once I put all these markups, then I will start drilling the holes.
Okay.
So you just put it on the side edge of the timber. Just quickly mark up using a red pen, and then it would be easy for you to drill holes once you complete all these things.
Okay.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
இல்ல வெளிச்சமா தான். So we are working in the garage.
Now we're gonna drill the hole. Okay, I think I took a 6.5 millimeter drill bit. So I already drilled a smaller hole. So I'm gonna make a little bit bigger.
Should be a little bit tight.
Yeah, not too loose, not too tight, because after sometimes it may give up. So I'm gonna drill all these holes. So it has to be galvanized for external
So we bought this from Bunnings.
applications.
He drilled a few holes. I'm going to continue the rest of the timbers. I'm a tool maker, so I know to handle these drills and I have the basic knowledge of handling these ones. So I'm going to help my husband today to do this garden veggie patch.
That's a bit.
I'm drilling the hole, but my mind is completely thinking about my NTTF. I studied in NTTF for tool making. Too many memories coming to my mind during this drilling process. My struggles, pain, friends, teachers is coming to my mind. I was the only female candidate student in my batch. It was a different experience in my young age. I'll finish the rest with these 3 holes for all the small timbers. We are doing the small one now, and I'll show you the big one when we start doing that also. We are going to do holes for the long timber. We did holes for the small one on the width side. but for the long one we are going to make holes on the thickness side, correct?
Yeah. So same thing, you just mark this one
Use
up.
the template.
Use the template and then put that one and then put that one and then put that one. So once you mark that one up, smaller drill, okay? I'm using 5. I'm using 5.
Diameter 5.
Yes.
So it should be more than the thread height.
More than 50 millimeters.
Yes.
And then what all put it
Drill all the holes. So drilling on the other side.
So you always need to wear mask, goggles, because it's treated timber, okay? On the bottom two, I'm gonna put these screws, bottom two. On the top, I'm gonna use a thicker one. It will be more stronger, okay?
Okay.
This is M8, okay? So I just need to make a little bit bigger hole on the just on the top, okay? Okay.
So the top hole will be M8 and bottom is M6. So the top we are using M8 by 100. So bottom 2 holes we are using this one.
We completed other holes. Right? So we can assemble now.
Assemble. So you finish the bottom one and doing the second one.
Okay. For the top one, I'm gonna use this one, but I need to put a little bit bigger drill on this one too. In my project a little bit, that's fine. I'm happy with this one. The stronger bolt, so it won't push this one out. So I'm using a little bit bigger one.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do on the other side and then on all 4 sides.
Okay.
Then you have to get in
Arrange 4 pieces first, then start adding drilling the screws. So I just kept to get the nice rectangle shape. Like this. These 2 sides are done. So we almost finished one. We are going to do two more. One, we checked physically how it looks, the length and width and everything. So it actually we are very happy with the result. I will continue in my next video how to place these garden beds, how to protect these beds, and how to fill the garden bed. Everything I covered in my next video. I will post it in my next video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in my next video, the garden bed part 2.